Ubay ibn Ka'ab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he says on one occasion, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam asked me, O Ubay, which is the greatest ayat of the Quran Kareem? Ubay ibn Ka'ab radiallahu ta'ala anhu was known as Sayyidul Qurra, the leader of the Qurra. He had great knowledge of the Quran Kareem. So Ubay ibn Ka'ab radiallahu ta'ala told to Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the greatest ayat of the Quran Kareem is Ayatul Kursi, which is in Surah Al-Baqarah, and it is in the beginning of the third juz of the Quran Kareem, or around the beginning of the third juz of the Quran Kareem. In Ayatul Kursi, Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala highlights, speaks about 10 qualities of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. There's 10 qualities. We read Ayatul Kursi, but ponder and reflect upon the qualities of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala in Ayatul Kursi. Understand it, ponder upon it. And the more you ponder upon the qualities of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, the love of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala will come into the hearts. So Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, Allahu la ilaha illahu. Allah is such that there is no Lord, no one worthy of worship but Allah. That's the first quality in Ayatul Kursi. Second quality, Al-Hayyul Qayyum. Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is ever living, and Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is Al-Qayyum. Al-Qayyum means that somebody that sustains. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is the creator, and Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala sustains everything. Third quality, La ta'khuduhu sinatu wa la nawm. In this world of power, we find rulers, leaders, presidents, people in any base of power. They would get tired, they need sleep. But the power of Allah is such that sleep never overcomes Allah, and let aside sleep, even slumber, which is the introduction to sleep, also never overcomes Allah. Fourth quality, lahu ma fi samawati wa ma fil ard. Whatever is in the skies, whatever is in the earth, right on top of the sky, right at the bottom of the earth, and whatever is between it, everything belongs to Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Nobody can claim real ownership and absolute ownership on anything besides Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Fifth quality, يَعْلَمُ مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala knows whatever is in the front, whatever is beyond. The knowledge of Allah is absolute, it is perfect. Nothing is hidden from Allah. He knows each and everything. Sixth quality, وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. Nobody can encompass any knowledge of Allah but whatever Allah wishes. If anybody has any knowledge, it is given by Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. And nobody can encompass the absolute ilm and knowledge of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Eighth quality, وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. The chair of Allah. The chair of Allah refers to the base power of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. It extends beyond the skies and the earth. In one hadith, Sahaba asked Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, O Prophet of Allah, what is the kursi? What is the chair of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala? So Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, by way of example, explained that if you have somebody with a broad palm, and you take a small ring and you put it in the broad palm of that person, what is the difference between the ring and the broad palm? Likewise, the seven earths, the skies, everything in relation to a kursi is like the ring in relation to the broad palm of a person. Everything in the world in relation to a kursi is nothing. The kursi, the chair of Allah, and it is just said as a chair, but it refers to a base power of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. It's far beyond our understanding and comprehension. وَلَا يَؤُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا. The ninth quality of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is Hafiz. Allah is a protector. And whatever is in the sky and in the earth, Allah protects it, and the protecting all that, whatever in the sky and the earth, never tires Allah. 10th quality of Allah, وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is supreme, and Allah is great. Subhanallah. What a great Allah we have. Look at these 10 qualities. And if we need to attach ourselves to anyone, we only attach ourselves to the greatest being, Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala.